Hey there YouTube, Petey Twofinger here with the Guitar Fuzz Kit demo video. So this fuzz, it's a 4-knob silicon fuzz that's really versatile. I was stunned. First off, everything about assembling the kit went wonderfully. The instructions left nothing to my imagination. Took a half hour and that was leisurely paced. So I would recommend this kit even for a beginner. If you're a pro or you've been building pedals, I would also recommend this kit because what you end up with getting is such a versatile fuzz. I would put this in the same classification as the Fuzz Factory, which is the germanium. I think it's a 6-knob pedal. It's very complicated and tweaky, 6 knobs, and you can get like every fuzz sound imaginable on that, but good luck trying to remember how to get back to that sound once you've changed any of the knobs. It's real finicky, and I could never remember. For my mind, this being a 4-knob pedal, and one of the knobs is volume, so we can cross that one off. I was able to, after playing with it for 10 minutes, I was able to figure out where I needed to go with those 3 knobs to get what I wanted. And it's basically every flavor of fuzz under the rainbow is there, just about. And I have, most recently, I built a Wolf Computer fuzz, which is an 8-knob fuzz. And that's one of my favorite fuzz pedals, too. I mean, I have like the Baldwin Burns Buzz Around Germanium fuzz. That's Robert Fripp's favorite. I really like that pedal. This is, it's more, they're all different. This one is more flexible. You can get more sounds out of it. You can get more crazy stuff, and the actual fuzz sound that you can get, keeping it normal, there's more of a range from more restrained fuzz or less insane nasally fuzz, over the top sounding in a Got It to Beat It style thing, all the way up to that too much. So having something that you can really sculpt. I actually found a new tone on the demo song. I was using the bass with active pickups, and I rolled back to just use the bridge pickup, and I killed all of the bass on the EQ with the treble at about half, and I palm muted and then set the fuzz up almost like an overdrive, and I think I messed with the bias a little bit too on that. And man, it sounded cool. I have never heard that. And so this is a great day for fuzz, for me to have this in the collection of a silicon fuzz, because I built two germanium Fuzz Factories. I was like, this is it, this is all we need, because I play in a band with the other one was for the other guitar player, and we play outdoors, and we can't use them because the temperature affects these germanium transistors, and it just washes them out. They sound terrible. So, with the Wolf Computer, I built that, and then it's got 8 knobs on it. My eyes are crossing out. This is easy enough to remember how to get those fuzz sounds, and it's extremely versatile. Just go ahead and listen to the demo for that. So I would recommend this. The parts were quality. The PCB was well made. It was a quality. It wasn't one with the traces that are going to lift up. Everything about this is a really wonderful value. So I would recommend this to a beginner. If you had never built a pedal, you'd be able to do this no problem. It would take you probably a half hour. I mean, there really isn't that much to it. And if you're an expert or a pro and you don't have this circuit, I would recommend this too. For the price, this is like you could buy a pizza, or and for how much most pizza places are charging, you probably get a personal pizza and a Coke, or you could get this. It's such an incredible value. So a huge thumbs up to this seller from the Czech Republic, dsmcz.com. Look him up. You can type in, that's the seller name, and his website with the instructions for his kits. You could type in Guitar Fuzz Kit into eBay, and the third one that comes up, it will have the picture of the green board layout. That's my guy. So I'm going to put a link in the description, make it even easier for you. Thank you for joining me. This was an absolute pleasure to do this. The process was a breeze, and then what I ended up with is a really special, incredibly versatile, awesome fuzz, going right up to the top of my list for fuzz pedals because of how many timbres and fuzz styles you can get out of it with a minimal of confusion. Just 3 knobs for up here for me to remember, which is always better. So thank you for joining me. Thank you so much to Damien. Good luck with your business. Peace.